Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Blender, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, locate the Blender application on your device. If you are using Windows, open the Start menu. Type Control Panel in the search bar and press Enter. In the Control Panel, click on Programs and Features. Scroll through the list of installed programs to find Blender. Once you find it, click on Blender to select it. Now, look for the Uninstall option at the top of the window. Click on Uninstall and confirm your action when prompted. The uninstallation process will begin. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the removal. If you are on a Mac, open Finder. Select Applications from the sidebar. Find the Blender application in the Applications folder. Drag the Blender icon to the trash bin. Alternatively, you can right-click on the Blender icon. Then, choose Move to Trash from the menu. To permanently delete it, right-click on the trash bin and select Empty Trash. For Linux users, open a terminal window. Use the command specific to your distribution. For Ubuntu, type sudo apt-get remove blender and press Enter. You may need to enter your password to confirm. After the uninstallation finishes, check that Blender is removed from your applications. If necessary, restart your computer to complete the process. Now you've successfully uninstalled Blender from your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.